Why have home insurance? To provide a solution when things go wrong? But what if the solution becomes a new problem? Insurance claims can be complicated, lengthy, and stressful. Just the thing when you're recovering from fire or flood. You don't need this, so give it to us. At Action Insurance Repair, we remove your insurance stress in 3 simple steps. Firstly, we independently assess the damage and, if necessary, bring in an expert to compile and present your claim to the insurer. Then we provide a quote for the repairs. Finally, we do all the work. You don't lift a finger, and better still, our service is totally free. All stress removed, and it doesn't cost you a penny. What could be better? Call Action Insurance Repair today. We deal in solutions, not problems.